Yo, what's going on with y'all? It's your boy Nyge and I'm back with another video. How's everyone doing today? You feel me? I got some more doorbell camera videos I want to react to. So, I'm finna go ahead straight to them bitch. Yeah, I already know. Bro, getting your blanket stolen off your porch and the smoker looking dead at your camera as she jacks your shit is crazy work, bro. Take this back. Yeah, who the hell is this girl? Nah. They robbed.
This lady to the right is getting carjacked. Thankfully, she is.
Oh, she is. That's the lady. Oh, shit.
This lady to the right is getting carjacked. Thankfully, she isn't hurt, and the car stopped working.
Damn. You never cranked up a car before, nigga? Bruh. See, that's what you get for trying to steal somebody's car. Now he's trying to steal shit. Slamming my dough and shit. Man, fuck y'all niggas, man. No, seriously, on some real shit. Like, damn, you had to make a mess and then slam the dough for no reason. Like, come on now. Atlanta niggas. Man, it's a high ass truck.
Get the fuck out of my fucking truck, bitch.
No. She got the thing on the. Nah.
Get the fuck out of my fucking truck, bitch.
Oh shit.
Don't forget those other delivery methods, just in case. Some people said they're not able to go outside. Have some neighbors look out for you, if you trust them.
Nah. It's Brooklyn. You know they snatching that. Whatever you got. What is that? I guess this one.
Excuse me, bring that back. The package. No package. Okay.
Well, what you gonna do about it, girl? You should have came outside when that shit was outside. You live in New York. What the fuck? Group of guys came.
Yes, it is. Can I help you?
My bad.
Get out of our yard.
My bad. Hey, get the fuck out of my yard.
Check this lady out.
Yo, is that a knife? Bruh.
Check this lady out. I guess she came to get some revenge, but why do it on camera?
Cause she petty. Reckless and don't even care. Like
She ended up slashing all 4 tires.
This is Halloween? No, this ain't Halloween.
No, mami, only watch it, sorry.
Oh, that's fucked
Sí,
up.
sorry, mami, más población. Don't go.
They be catching their ass. That's right. Take your ass on. Oh shit, they only $12. She insane. Some more Atlanta niggas.
Gonna find out. No, that big guy.
They was gonna break in that bed.
Yo, look, y'all on a break. Look, y'all on a break with these? Or one of these? So it's empty, so it's G's. Come on, right here, so we can see this. So there's shit in there. Yeah, we good. Y'all want to break? Y'all want to break the door glass or the side glass? Come on, stop being fucking hard. I'm asking a question, huh?
Bro, this nigga, bro, he trying to get everybody caught up, bro.
It don't matter, dude. What do you fucking do, nigga? Do it.
They gonna know that's that nigga's voice.
I'm asking
You're not supposed to talk when you hitting licks like this.
Yeah.
You got your bare hand and shit.
Guys going around asking people for bolt cutters at 4 o'clock in the morning. Wonder what he got going on.
Boat cutters at
Hello?
4 o'clock.
I have a quick question for you guys.
Bro.
What?
I have a question. Do you guys have any bolt cutters or anything that can cut through metal? Because my chain...
No, I don't. We're in bed. No, I don't.
Bro, it's 5 o'clock in the fucking
Yes, sir.
morning.
Have a blessed day.
Go ahead.
This guy seems to have come with his tools ready.
He got a pickaxe? Nah. Why you sweating like this? It's Texas. It's 5 o'clock in the fucking morning. Or 4 o'clock in the morning. Y'all smokers, bro. Nigga just left. This be the most weirdest shit ever. Nah. Bro, this nigga's hell as fuck, bro. Nigga just walking around people shit, bro. This homeless ass, smoking ass nigga, bro. Chill with that bitch. Crazy. And I'm all sitting comfortable for y'all.
The man in the previous video could use this guy's help.
What you mean? This nigga just sitting there smoking in the... high on something. It's 1:30.
Hey man, and my girl bought the wrong side matches, man. We got
This nigga, this Atlanta, of course. This nigga.
hey man.
Why his body like that? Why the fuck his body like that?
Hey man, and my girl bought the wrong side match.
Man, you too damn old. First off. Second of all, why the hell you got a ski mask and a hat on? It's not drip,
We got
buddy.
a king side mattress, just full side mattress. Anybody need a full side mattress, goddamn. We bring this bitch over anything. You give me $40 for this motherfucker. So shit.
You gonna leave the mattress?
Somebody need it, man.
Yeah, this nigga trying to flip the mattress. Crazy work. I want that shit. Oh! Nigga about almost fell. Someone gonna buy this motherfucker. Oh, almost fucking fell, dumbass nigga. Is that the same nigga?
I can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Excuse me, I need some cutters, like a power tool, so I can cut the chains off.
Nah, there's no way you hit another house trying to ask for some bolt cutters. What are you trying to cut?
Buy some as of right now. If not, it's okay and have a blessed day. I just need to get to work in the morning at 6 and
They probably locked something, forgot the key.
I know I've shown plenty videos of these kids scrambling through the neighborhood checking cars. This is one of them getting caught.
Oh! But the police pulled up and wasn't playing. Bruh.
Get the fuck on the ground, man. Wow! Get on the fucking ground now! Get on the ground!
You caught, gang? You caught, gang? Oh, you caught, gang.
Get on the ground! I'm gonna take you right now!
told me when they got out the car. I was like, when they got out. They just told me when they got out. You find they go that way. I was waiting to come out when they got out the car. I didn't know. I didn't know.
Damn.
Try to get to your packages first before these people do.
Oh yeah, they be jugging. Look at the hairstyle. Oh my gosh, how do you even come
Just
over?
first before these people
She
do.
cut her own hair. Look at that bald spot. Damn. Shit. Is this hair growth oil? Ooh.
Here you go.
Ooh.
Oh, yes, there you go, man. Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Oh, junkie ass.
You too.
Ooh, you got a big ass forehead, boy. What you taking? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I heard somebody screaming. You guys are good? I heard somebody screaming. You guys good? I heard somebody screaming. You guys good? Yeah, we're good. Good job.
You ain't hear nobody screaming. Oh, what you taking? You just ring the doorbell? What you want?
Hello? Hey, don't touch that package.
Ah, dang it, girl. How you inside the house and you ain't got down?
Let me go
Oh,
back.
she gone. She gone. Damn.
Who you looking for?
Can I get a band-aid?
You get a what?
Let me know what you guys think about this one. He has his hands in his pocket the whole time. Not sure.
Home invasion.
Donate plasma today and receive up to $700 your first month. CSL Plasma. Do the amazing.
You looking for what?
Can I get a band-aid?
A band-aid? Hell no, nigga. Get the fuck out of my porch. You better lick that wound.
Are you serious?
Hell yeah.
You asking for a band-aid for people you don't even know?
Yeah.
Dude, you need to get a better professional. Go to your parents. Nobody gonna give you no band-aid. Where are you from? Who are you?
No friend band-aid.
I don't know you.
I ain't got no band-aid.
I feel like he did right. You never know these people's intentions. Gotta be safe out here.
They be a little kid run up in your house.
Can he get a band-aid? What the hell?
It be a little kid. I swear to God, it be a little kid running your house.
Check this guy
Your
out.
house.
He scales this fence to try to get this bike.
This nigga really finna take a girl bike.
Hey, we're calling the cop. You better leave that fucking bike alone.
Oh shit.
Get the fuck out of my backyard, dude.
Yeah. Nigga talking about I'm sorry, this nigga's a nice criminal.
Sorry, dude. Vete a la chingada, güey.
No, not the Spanish. That's awkward. That was awkward as hell. They gotta take the walk of shame out in the street. Oh, girl, I know you ain't just leave all your groceries sitting right here on this porch.
Ordering groceries for delivery.
You just asking to get robbed.
Try to be home or get them inside as soon as possible.
Look at
Because things like this is crazy.
Start snatching shit, grabbing that shit. Look, boom, boom, gone, gone, gone. I don't even know what to tell you. Honestly, I don't even know what to tell you. I don't even know what to tell you. You just lacking.
The pole too.
What the hell?
Y'all grab the pole.
What?
Anything y'all took from the side of that house, put it the fuck back.
Are they stealing?
Cause I seen y'all grab a pole. I have 2 cameras on the house.
Say one more time, please.
Y'all grabbed the pole from the side of that house. I have it on camera. Why would y'all just put back something y'all didn't grab from the house?
You don't need that pole, girl.
Oh,
Girl,
is that the one you took? Put back anything the fuck you put back. Because now when I come home and I see that car around, it's gonna be a problem. Stop.
I mean, I kind of understand, like, you know what I'm saying, whatever's in your yard is your yard,
Taking
but
shit from
hell, it
people's
ain't
houses.
like you was gonna goddamn need that pole for anything.
Alright, put it back.
I think I've seen this guy before.
How can I help you? Hello?
What the fuck?
You're gonna try to get on the house.
What?
Look. Look, he ran away.
He was stalking my
The
house.
guy.
Where was he? Was he down?
Yes, he was inside the porch and he jumped the fence.
He's on drugs.
Check this lady out. She steals this package and found some
Them old black ladies be getting y'all asses, boy. I swear to
instant
God.
karma.
Who are you?
I know who am I. Ooh.
And that's what you get.
That shit bad. Oh, goofy ass.
And found some instant karma.
Who are you?
Who you? Take off on the ass. And then fail. Got
And that's what you get.
Keep on going. On porch pirates. That's what I got. Ain't nothing worse than a damn thief.
Off porch.
Exactly. You should have got
my
them.
packages off the porch.
Why you ain't home to get your
And then-
packages? And fail, yeah. Oh. Nah. Ooh. Two brothers to break into my house, but confronted by oh shit. That's why it's so important to have
Not
a big
sure what
ass
this
dog.
guy got going on. He's out in his road messing with people's cameras.
He trying to steal that shit.
Excuse me. What are you doing?
Yeah, walking the fuck off. NPC ass.
What are you doing on the property?
And then you live on a freaking where you live in those apartments over there? Oh yeah, they finna whoop your ass when they catch you.
चलो हमारी लॉक्स चेक करो कोई प्रॉपर्टी भी घूम रहा
It'd be 4 o'clock. It'd be 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm telling you, these be some junky ass hours. Damn. And this guy with his boot on his foot. That was random as hell.
Hey man, you alright? Oh, okay.
Yeah, we walking up on my porch like that. What's wrong with you?
Prior to this guy was trying to open up the door.
But I hate motherfuckers. Cause why you chilling on somebody else's fucking porch?
Please don't leave your doors unlocked.
If you don't get off our porch, we will call the cops.
That must be your stalker, girl. I'll cut to this guy. What the hell he got going on? Just watching traffic and shit. If this is his house?
Hi. I am a Christian missionary called to pray. I was going to see if you guys could help so I could get a motel room tonight.
Oh, hell.
Oh, we don't carry cash around.
Oh, get your bum ass.
Well, I just carry debit cards.
Yeah, that's okay. I just have to get a room tonight.
Okay.
Let me see my wife. Ben!
Don't get your wife.
The video ends
What you mean get your wife? Man, I would have shut the door on this nigga's face.
before he can come back and give an answer. But let me know down in the comments, what would you do in this situation?
Shut the door on this nigga's face. Get the fuck out my porch. Oh, hell no. You definitely gotta get the hell off my porch. When I hear junkie, I see you.
Another thing I want to know, would you rather have this lady at your door or these next couple guests?
Next couple guess. Nah, hold on. Let me see what she look. I'm playing around. My bad. Hell no.
Another thing I want to know, would you rather have this lady at your door or these next couple guests?
I'd rather have the alligators. I ain't gonna lie. Cause it's just like, damn. Them shit's big as fuck. Oh my god. Hell no. Why would y'all want to move into a place where these shits just be can just pull? Oh no, this motherfucker can stand up.
Hello.
Oh my gosh.
Good afternoon. Are you guys home? I live down the block to the left.
I walked in my dog right now. I'm not halfway home.
Okay.
That's mine.
So
Got it. I'll pass by later.
okay.
Yo, let me in.
2 o'clock in the morning.
There are quesadillas, and then there's Zaxby's giant chicken finger quesadillas, packed with their famous chicken.
What are you talking about? Just let me in your house.
No, you toxic.
Please.
I guess we'll never know what happened there.
We're coming around the corner. We're coming around the corner right now. You better drop that shit. Put that. We're coming around the corner right now.
Get off our
Nah, that porch.
porch.
It's always been a black girl stealing packages off people's porch. Can I just see a white guy doing this at least once?
Our porch.
I don't even know which direction to go.
One thing to take from these videos is to be careful what you leave outside. These thieves are grabbing anything to make their lives easier, I guess.
I'm gonna come through for my child. That's wicked as fuck, bro. Why you got your shit on the porch like that, though?
Is to be careful what you
He casually walked up.
leave
just took that
outside.
shit.
These thieves are grabbing anything to make their lives easier, I guess.
Rest of all this shit a tricycle, nigga. Damn.
Can I use the phone, please?
That was a polite reminder you live in the hood. I swear to God. That was a real polite reminder you live in the hood.
Can you come in? I'm not gonna come in the house. Can you come in?
And this guy right here is another polite reminder that you live in the hood. If you see someone like this outside your neighborhood, just know you live in the hood.
Yeah, we were gonna get told we live in a transitional house. But our
I was saying, I was saying,
big ass crackhead.
I need to use the phone.
Sorry.
Look at his teeth. Look at his. Oh. Damn.
Sorry.
She started.
Please try to get your packages in as soon as possible, especially if you happen to be home.
I'm joking. I finally see a white lady finally taking the damn package. I'm gonna be doing that shit too. Look, booking it. She gone. And you was home too? Oh yeah. Hey, you be scamming people. I know you do. That was for your son? That shit gone now. Son, guess you're not getting your train set, son. No train set for little Timmy. Yeah. Jug your shit. Look. Keep in the corner. What he gonna steal? He gonna steal something out the box, or he gonna steal that kid thing? Ain't shit in there. Take your ass home. Stupid ass nigga. That's why the fuck would I leave something valuable sitting on the porch like that?
Yeah. What are you doing there? Get out.
You already gone, girl. You might as well just.
If we're gonna leave bikes and scooters outside, let's try to lock them up at least.
Yo, I'm telling you, live in the hood. Look, somebody could have get this goal post. Somebody could get this damn.
Just to prevent this.
Trampoline right here. Why the hell happened to your car? Who the fuck you backed into? Damn. What the fuck you back into? That shit fucked your car up. But yeah, they took it. Like, bro, I'm telling you, like the last guy, just
let's try to lock them
shit
up at least, just to prevent this.
And then here's the thing about like getting your bike stolen, bro. You not gonna catch that nigga, but you gonna chase that nigga down the street. I swear to God, every time, bro. You gonna try to chase that nigga down the street. You gonna goddamn slow down pedal, and then you gonna pedal real fast.
Please.
And then he gonna goddamn get off on your ass, and then next thing you know, you down the street out of breath. You have to make the walk of shame back to your damn house. Damn.
Please don't forget to keep those doors locked. These thieves.
Why the fuck did she cut off? Damn.
Also, please don't forget to keep those doors locked. These thieves.
That motherfucker was running up and then he locked his doors. Nah, that's crazy. Imagine buddy right here hitting a house lick. I mean a car lick real quick.
Also, please don't forget
he chilling. He just
to
looking
keep
at
those doors locked. These thieves.
That nigga was hurt.
Yo, leave the yo.
Damn.
Bro.
They be stealing them motherfucking packages. Oh well. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh wow. Hey, all criminals ain't bad criminals.
That's
now.
a rare occurrence that they actually.
All criminals aren't bad people.
Leave it.
That's crazy. Hey, if you catch me, I'm caught. I respect that. I respect that. Look like there's a little bit of honor among thieves.
What's up?
This junkie just chilling on your porch.
Nah, you got the wrong house.
Girl, what you got going on?
You can roll.
She ain't finna roll. I guess she is finna roll. Damn.
Let me know what you guys think about this.
I would've came outside and shot the shit out of this nigga, bro.
A stranger comes to this house and starts cutting the hedges.
This is a extreme OCD
Well,
right
that's
here.
a good thing or a bad thing.
This is extreme OCD right here. But I would have just been watching this nigga the entire time, bro. He getting the bat too? Nah. Nah.
This is.
Wait, what did the thing say? I ain't just say. Guy just came to my house and trimmed my wife's front bush. You might as well let him go ahead and stick it inside of her at that point. Hell. He wants your wife.
This is pretty strange. He even steps back to admire.
He did this specifically for your wife. He didn't do this for just because he has OCD. He did this for your wife. Never mind the OCD part. He did this because he wants your wife. Yeah. Ain't no man finna come trim some woman's bushes and not want no cat. Look, he backing up and making sure that shit even too. Nah. This man's a thief. He wants your wife. He wants your wife. He wants your wife. Never mind.
It's funny.
Did a beautiful job. Oh,
I'm sorry.
She finna drop that shit off and she finna steal that shit.
Can't hear you.
She finna drop that shit
I
off.
said, are you delivering a package?
Why do people have two phones? I feel like they be dangerous as fuck having two phones.
Excuse me, are you delivering a package? Miss, I can't see that. I'm sorry.
Like she is.
No Spanish, no English.
Oh, you need somebody to sign it?
She don't know.
Just leave the package behind the chair.
She don't understand. Why don't you come outside? If you in the house?
Because I have no idea what you're saying.
Why you got your groceries
If you
outside
have groceries being delivered, try to be home to retrieve them, just in case something like this happens. Even other people will come and take your groceries. People are getting real desperate out here.
Doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, finna see what you got.
Put my package back.
You know it's gonna be messed up if she takes like half
Put
the
my
groceries.
package down.
It'd be crazy to take. Nah, she finna take all that
Put my
shit.
package down.
Hell nah.
Funny.
She finna jug all that shit. Yeah, all that shit. And she got paid too. And she just was gonna walk off casually. Damn. Get your drunk ass on somewhere. Then look at this drunk ass stumbling on somebody's porch. 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Again, junkie hours. I'm telling you. This nigga he finna throw up. He drunk as fuck. He just got done playing manhunt with his friends. That's the type of guy he is. He gets drunk and run away. He smokes crack. He smokes crack. I know how he smokes crack. Look, because I know for a fact crackheads be super paranoid, right? So he thinking this camera is like the FBI is watching him and is just seeing him. Because look, he just stop, boot that bitch. See, yeah, cause he's a crackhead, man. Yeah, he's on crack. He's paranoid. He think the government's out to get him. That's exactly what that is.
Please move from the RV.
Nah, he finna move in. This nice spot right here. Can't kick that nigga out from the sidewalk.
Don't stop by the RV. Thank you.
Oh, he was trying to go to the RV. I didn't even read the thing. Oh well.
Please don't forget to keep those doors locked. You never know anybody's intentions, even if it is a mistake.
Cause who the hell is this guy? He probably at the wrong house and everything.
Can I help you?
Hi, is this Johan's house?
You're at the wrong address.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Damn.
Have a good day.
Bro's finna walk into a whole stranger's house trying to link up with his
My
friend.
bad. Yeah, my bad.
Cause they don't look like he'll just be robbing motherfuckers. Now this nigga, I don't know what time that is. It's 23. I think it's like 11 o'clock. No, I think it's 10 o'clock. Just bumming around. Go home, nigga. This person.
Hey, do you know where it's a train?
He took y'all car's mirrors. Yeah, this nigga petty as fuck.
Yeah, it's down there. So what you it's down there.
He took your car and mirrors. Yeah, this nigga
Keep
petty.
going down.
New York is not a
You know
real
what?
place.
A lot. A lot. You just gotta keep walking down.
Not sure what's going on in Brooklyn, but it looks like people are after your side view mirrors.
Yeah, he jugged them shits. And we got a video of him jugging the bitches. Nah. He took one. If he takes one, oh, he petty as fuck.
Check this guy out.
Man, that's some junky shit.
Sneaking and geeking trying to get a package.
Yo, this nigga is a wild ass nigga, bro. He's on them yerks bad. But yeah, that's the end of that video, so I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.